for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're opening up the April Vellabox, and look, they have new packaging. Forever they had a yellow box. Now this is what the box looks like. I kind of think this better fits their aesthetics. I think it is very cute. So if you don't know what Vellabox is, it is my monthly candle subscription. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love candles in general. I think they're great, and my home definitely needs it. You know, having a bunch of pets, and anyways, I just like my surroundings to always smell good. So Vellabox has 3 different subscription plans ranging from $10 to $30. Today we're opening up the $30 subscription. So I'm going to leave a link down to Vellabox below. I also have a code with Vellabox that will save you $5 off your first box, no matter what subscription you choose. So if you want to get the lowest box value, that's $10, your first box will be only $5. So yeah, like I said, all that information will be down below. All the candles from Vellabox come from local artisans in the United States. They're all made in small batches, like hand poured. They're free of all nasty stuff, and the burn time on these candles it's phenomenal. They last forever and they always smell so dang good. I cannot wait to see what we got this month, so let's get started. And I open it up. This is what it looks like. So there is, oh my god, I can smell it already. But there's something right here that's real that says, it says, the best way to find out what we really need is to get rid of what we don't. Marie Kondo. Ooh, the Marie Kondo method. Isn't that what it's called? Where you go throughout your house and grab things and you're like, does this bring me joy? And if it doesn't, you toss it, right? Well, candles always bring me joy. I know that for sure. God, I'm so corny right now, but. So the candles always come in these reusable drawstring bags. I love them. And then there's always a bonus item in each of the subscriptions. And then we have a little card here. So let's learn where our candles came from. So our candles this month come from KITTYSBOXES, and they are based out of Silver Spring, Maryland. And there is a code here. Use code Vellabox on their website, KITTYSBOXES.com, for 15% off your first order and free shipping on orders over $50. And the scoop, KITTYSBOXES soy wax candles are hand poured by refugee women resettled in the USA. Each item is made in small batches using high quality ingredients to brighten homes, bring kin together, and create a better future for others. That's so great. So how about we start with the smaller candle this month? So the bag this month is white. I think they are very cute, and there's a little tag here that says Vellabox. And this candle, it says KITTYSBOXES made in America by refugees, sugar and huckleberry, number 8, 4-ounce premium soy candle. And then it talks about the scents there. So scents, citrus and acai. Wait, are these all, they're listing all of their different scents they have. I was gonna say, how is this all? So obviously we're opening the sugar and huckleberry, and it's made from 100% soy wax, and it says the burn time is 25 hours. So, well, let's take a sniff first and then we'll read more about it. Ah, it smells so good. I always want to describe it, but I can't. So let's see what the scents, the fragrance notes are. So sugar, huckleberry. The fragrance notes are bold berry scent with a smooth and clean finish. Yes, it definitely has a strong berry scent. And it smells clean too. This is very spring and summery. I love it. And it says the scoop, a harvest of tart berries and freshly pressed sugar cane that evokes a sense of home, comfort, and the reward of dessert after family dinner. This smells so good. Every month I try and decide what candle I like the best. Let's see if I can choose this month, because oftentimes I like them both so much. So the 8-ounce candle, this is what it looks like. And it is Fern and Tobacco, number 1. And this says it has a burn time of 40 hours. And again, hand poured, small batch, made from 100% soy wax. This smells good too. And it doesn't smell like cigarettes. You know when some people hear tobacco, that's what they think. I think I do like the berry one more. But this is a sexy, man type of scent. Let's learn more about it. So fragrance notes, rich forest greens with a sweet and woody finish. Yeah, it definitely has that woody scent. So the scoop, hand-blended fragrance reminiscent of dried fruits, tea, and tobacco leaves, sold in open-air markets throughout the Middle East and North Africa. Yeah, this is very crisp. I like it. They're both really good, but I think I might like the sugar and huckleberry more. but I definitely like both. Like this seems like it's growing on me the more I take this, but I think these are both great. Definitely gonna burn one right away. I'm constantly going through candles, so can't wait. And let's talk about our bonus item this month. This is what it looks like. This is a loofah kitchen sponge, a zero waste eco-friendly alternative. It says this is made out of 100% loofah gourd. This sponge is an eco-friendly swap for disposable plastic sponges. Simply allow the sponge to expand in water and scrub your dishes clean. When time to dispose, the natural material will biodegrade quickly and you can compost them. This is so great. Why I just go to sniff this? Probably because I was just sniffing everything else, but I love stuff like this. I have some already, so I will definitely get use out of this one. And then on the bottom here it says, notice something different? Flip over to read about our new box. It says, over the past few months, we've been in the process of rebranding to a more natural look and artisan style. We're evolving the interior design of the box, our social media, website, and now the actual box itself. More important than how the box looks is how it's better for the environment. It's made with more recycled material by a new manufacturer who makes the effort to minimize waste throughout the entire product life cycle, from raw origin to recovery. A note from our manufacturer. We own the forest we harvest, and for every tree that is harvested, 2 are planted. The trees are made into building materials, and then we take what is left, including the bark, to produce our paper. 100% of our scrap and waste is shredded, baled, recycled, and put back into our paper at the mills. Head over to our Instagram to see other ways Vellabox is practicing sustainability and how you can take part too. I think that is so great. That makes me love Vellabox even more. I think that's great. They're taking a step to being more eco-friendly, eco-conscious, and I think they're using great manufacturers. Their candles are so phenomenal. I cannot recommend Vellabox enough. I've said this before, but my mom gets a subscription box too, and we always send pictures when we get them. We're like, what one do you like better? They smell so good. So yeah. That is everything for today's video. Like I said, I'm going to leave all of the information down below along with that promo code. If you're interested, make sure you use that to save some money. But anyways, thank you for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all well, safe, and healthy. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.